Now adding the total amount of energy consumed in one day, we have 0.3, this is again 0.3, 2.25, on adding we get 5, 6, 7, 8.2. So total energy consumed in one day by 3 appliances is 2.85 kilowatt hour. But we have been asked for the 30 days. So this is for one day. So obviously for 30 day it will be, we'll be multiplying with 30, removing decimal in order to simplify the equation. So it comes out to be 5 to the 15, 1, 5, 2, 8 divided by this. So this is 85.5 kilowatt hour energy is consumed in 30 days. So this is how you need to do the questions based on it, right? So this is what is the kilowatt hour, the meter, the conversion into joules, and these are the questions. Like if somebody, like what an interesting thing you can do is just go at home, take up the electricity bill, just check it out that how the calculations have been made, because you are now aware of the kilowatt hour and you know that how the energy is being calculated, like if you use fans or something. So what you will see in that bill, that the total units consumed this much. So unit means kilowatt hour, right? So this is how you can calculate the bill of the appellants which you use, right?